Recording, start recording. Let's see what's the market going on. Good morning, everyone. Today's November 28, 2022. Let's see what's the market overnight. There you go. Red. Dow Jones down 79 point. S&P 20 point. Nasdaq 51 point. Let's see. I have some swing trade over here. Swing the NQ. Let's see, it's gonna go up. Sharing over here. Go. Ticket for profit 12.15. What about the she have Cooper? See what it like to Cooper. Coming up on 1 hour. She in a 4 hours time frame. They're climbing up. I believe Cooper was on a call. It's still going down. See the other one. Gap down for the day. The highest one is CNC. Mic test, mic test. See the NQ is still going up. I just sold it a while ago. Let's see what is the best for a spreader. ARGX climbing up. CMG. Thought of this one. CMG. Want to wait for it for a pullback. Almost Christmas. I think it's only about 30, 33 days before Christmas. I'm going on in the CMG. This one. See, the reason why I'm buying this one is because I can estimate the spread between one contract between the bid and the ask. If you know how to do that one, and especially when the RSI is pointing upward, I should have brought it over here on this side. That's gonna be November. That's last Tuesday. Climb up. Adjust this one. Should have brought it over here. 4 hour time frame. Booking. Booking still going up. Let's see what is the hot stock for today. BDD was a hot stock for today. They're climbing up. BDD, Win, Budweiser, UNB, or they took it the CMG. I'm just gonna watch that one. Coup, it was $70 before, down. Now it's $40. Let's see what it looks like for the Coup. Cooper, still coming up on a 4 hour time frame. So far, we already have a gain of 12.15. The swing trade that I have on E-mini Nasdaq. E-mini Nasdaq. That's the one. E-mini Nasdaq. On the spreader, we have the ARGX that says had a $16 net gain. CMG, Booking, UTHR. I think this is United Therapeutic. AVSK, AMGN, and the down one, GHRD. Bitcoin is down at them. Bitcoin is 16,040. Ethereum 1,154. I don't know if the Bitcoin is still gonna recover or if they're gonna recover in the next 2 years. Hard to predict. BDD red candle on a 4 hours time frame. This trade right here is the indecision. If it's gonna go up or if it's gonna go out. Red candlestick indecision. But I think it's still gonna go up. If it's gonna be the next one is red. And the RSI is gonna change to a purple. You can go in. NQ still climbing up. I believe yesterday they had a gap down. Remember I had the stock market green? Then I hold it. Then gap down. I was down 3,000. Still holding it now. It went up all the way over here, closing the gap. There's a gap right here. A gap from 11,768 to 11,446. 11,746. Time is grouching. So I have now CMG is down $30 and the Coup is going down. Well, it used to be $70 a while ago, down negative $20 now. Can wait for it. It's 6:43 in the morning. Let's see what's the market going on. Refresh this one. Dow Jones down 126. S&P 19.26. Nasdaq is down 22. I think the reason why it was down today is because the protests in China about the COVID, they can't work. It's because the government was locking down their factory offices. Medicare open enrollment end December 7. Ooh, this one's a good one to send it to Gustavo because he's going to retire next year. I think you don't need this one, it's the Medicare. It's already covered by the Kaiser. Right there. Stock for Chinese COVID protests dampen market sentiment. Let's go back to the stock. Climb up. BDD still climbing up. CMG down $10. Now Cooper down to $40. Fluctuating. BDD still climbing up. Nice to take this one, go in, but chances you're gonna miss it. RSI is already, what's the RSI? 86%. No, 95.73%. So we're completely overbought. So no, I'm not taking it. It's nice, but the best one to do is you find the RSI way below, like this one, starting it. But there's a possibility this one will pull back, right? And let's see if there's a lot of people have an open interest with this one. There is ARCH, ARC. A lot of open interest over here. 1500, 1100, 2600. And the chart is climbing up, RSI is climbing up. Let's see on 1 hour time frame. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Let's pick, this is 16 December, expiration 18 days. I'm gonna go in with this one. in the money. So the spread is about $1.60. That's it. ARCH on a 4 hour time frame. And BABA going down. O'Reilly. And oh man, I don't like this here. On a 4 hour time frame. That's inconsistent. This one's going down. Roger. AXAM. Wow. This one came up. What about the negative one? This CNC. They're going down. Bit Biogen. What is the spread for this? Biogen. What is the spread? Wow. The spread is big for this one too. I'm gonna add it on the spreader. First Solar. First Solar was a company of Elon Musk. I was hoping this one is going to go down. I mean, it's going to go profitable, but it's losing money. ABGO. A lot of spread in this one. See, I'm trying to find which stock have more potential when it comes to spread. It's $3.60 and $4.40. That's not bad. 80 cents different. DBN, Devon Energy, Apple. Only a penny. You're not gonna make money with that. You gotta buy a lot of shares for it. You want to make a profit with it. Maybe that's a big spread. If you look on the put, look like this one's going down. Let me see. They're going down. ABSL. Let me add this one to the spreader, my watch list spreader. Estee Lauder. I want to see how big is the spread. People, I'll add it on the watch list spreader. This is 95-cent spread. Google used to have a lot of spread. Now it's only 3 cents because the split. Google is not price. Before it was like 96. Presently the Google is $96.81, but it used to be 1,000, and they split it by 5. So one share is equivalent to 5 share. Forward slip. That's what I call it. Forward split. Elvis, Las Vegas Sound. So pretty much that's about it. Ooh, shop. I like shop. Lulu. I like Lulu. About 50 cents spread. See what it look like the chart. I'm gonna change this one. It's climbing up the shop. Lulu's shop. It's still climbing up. RSI reverse. The moment it hit, 32%. Way over here, the support. Peter Bush course. Check time is 6:52 a.m. Market still on a bad territory. Hopefully we'll turn green in a little bit. VIX climbing up. VIX is volatility index. Some trader they watch this one. You see, when the VIX is climbing up, most of the index are red. When the VIX is red, most of this index are green, positive. So I'm still down $50 on Coup, 25 up on CMG. Um, I have open buy call option on ARCH. NQ, I would have made a profit, even though it's still climbing up. I'm not gonna go in. Whenever I go in again, second time, I give back my profit. Some trader they can work that one. They call that multiple breakout, and I don't. I have no luck by doing that one. So these are stuff that are my favorite. Lulu, Shop, um, CMG, and used to be Tesla, but Tesla, I don't know what's the Tesla right now. I think they're down. Tesla's going up, but it never been back before. Put on the pull-out time frame. Used to be right here, 385. On a pull-out time frame, it's climbing up. Tesla. Man, it's only 15 cents for the spread for this. Used to be this is a money maker before. Then they had a split last October. I think June. They had a split this year on June. Forward, forward split. And now the market's going down now. And besides, Elon Musk, they don't like him anymore. They call him idiot now. It's because he's more politically motivated now. He like to be in the political side. It doesn't matter if it doesn't matter if you're Republican or Democrat. But if you own the business, especially in the stock market, the moment you open your political side and you sided with one political area, investor doesn't like that one. They will hate you. They will leave your company. Now, Elon Musk favored former President Trump. He was citing it. Elon Musk don't like Joe Biden. So a lot of people don't like Joe Biden too. Um, but the moment Elon Musk went to political side, he even bought Twitter just for Donald Trump. And next you know, he fired most of the employee. I think 75% of the employee of Twitter, he fired them. That went downhill for him. It doesn't matter if you are, I mean, it's a good thing if you're a billionaire. real estate investors. But the moment you let your political side, they will, on Wall Street, they will kill you right there. They're not going to be, they're not going to forgive you about that one. All right, I'm up 6 CMG, $45. I see the chart of CMG. Still coming up, right? The goal for today, like I told, it will be the same $100 minimum. Um, Maximum for today is about 500. So the moment I reach that, well, I already reached it on the NQ, but on the stock, this you mean the Nasdaq future. But on the stock, I want to reach at least about $100 to $500 a day, and I know it's gonna happen. If you look on the chart, the CMG, they're climbing up, right? They haven't turned red yet. I think it's gonna take a while before it turn red. Cooper, they're climbing up, but I don't understand it why I am down, still negative on that one. Synthas going down. Synthas going down. Yeah, I'm gonna change the setting for this one from 34 to 8. Let's see if it's gonna work. Changing to some traders they make this one. This is 8 EMA as their clear line. The moment they go down over here, they will go in. Either they start on a call or on a put option. Let's change this one. And make it out as a key line. Copy time. No, the copy still warm. CMG is already 115. Back again. 135. Let's see if you're gonna go up to 150. I will sell it on 40. I want to see CMG on the 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame. We return right there. I'm gonna go out. We will take it. sometimes if you put your right there to sell, most of the traders they will see it, then they will play it out. As of now, it's not taking it. So a lot of times when the trader will see this one, they will produce their price. As of now, the CMG they got a lot of acts on 1530. 1532 is the price. 1530. So the 1532, they will not take this price for now until it reach the key level on level 2, go up all the way to 1532. Let's see. That's going to change the price. So we're 150 right there. As of now, it marked 1531. I am selling it on 1560. That's a lot of spread in that one. $15.31, $15.29. Let me see. Went down $100. It took it. I'm positive for $100, but I was aiming for $150. Even took it. Well, profit is a profit. I'll go with $100. I'm hoping it will go up $150, but it didn't go. All right. Anyway, it's already 7:05 in the morning. I want to stop the recording right now, and we'll get back later on.